Hello and welcome to the HDRP setup tutorial. Unity's HDRP render pipeline is its most advanced, and sometimes it can be a bit overwhelming, especially for beginners. So this is where this tutorial comes in. Okay, first open up your Unity editor. I have Unity 2021.2.3 F1, which is the latest version at the time of this recording. Then create a new project and choose the high definition render pipeline. HDRP now comes with a lovely demo scene. I find the new example scenes pretty nice. Anyway, go to the package manager and import Rocky Hills Megapack SRP. Let it import. After the import finishes, you will get the Toby Fredson root folder, and inside you have two main folders, Rocky Hills Environment Megapack and Third-Party Tools, which are the main ones. You can find a custom tree importer in the Third-Party Tool folder, which is very important, and we shall get back to that later. Now, looking at the console, you will notice that it's full of messages. It's actually flooding with error messages. At this point, the project is unworkable. So we'll do this step by step. Next, go to the Rocky Hills Environment Megapack root folder and install the HDRP installation package. Most RP folders, including materials, prefabs, and shaders, will be replaced with HDRP versions. Okay, now let's open up a scene. We shall open demo biomes or prefab mesh props. Okay, let's see. Give it a minute. And it looks broken. Everything. This is simply an amplify shader bug. This is why you get this weird effect on screen. To fix that, we need to apply an update. Unfortunately, this package hasn't been updated yet, so you will have to go to the link in the description. It was intended for 2020.1, but in 2020.2, the custom tree importer shaders don't work anymore, so you will have to apply the update fix. That includes the amplify shaders. Install the fix, give it a moment. And now everything's fixed. But as we notice, the foliage is a fluorescent green color. Again, this is wrong. It shouldn't look like that. This is because of the diffusion profile, which we are going to fix later. This and the post-processing overexposure are the only things that need fixing left, so let's get on to it. Oh, and one more thing. This one is important. It's an important step I skipped over. You can do it at the beginning or anytime you want. The order doesn't matter. In the custom tree importer folder, you have to delete the CTI runtime components, URP, because it collides with the HDRP runtime components. So basically you have two runtime components which are colliding. And now everything works. We can hit play and it's great. The foliage, the wind is working. Testing out the scene a little bit. The UI is working as well. Alright, now on to the post-processing issue. Usually these things always break in every version of HDRP. So, like, a quick solution I could give you is turn on the visual environment, and that should help get rid of the overexposure. But in this case, you might want to make your own post-processing since the one I made has been resetted. Usually people make their own HDRP post-processing profiles anyway. Okay, and onto the final issue. Just click on any vegetation, like it can be a tree or the grass, it doesn't matter, and open the prefab. Then go to the material, and you will notice that in the material there is the diffusion profile, which is causing this issue, the grass to be green. So it gives you a pending option to fix this problem. Just click fix, and that's it, it's fixed. And voila, everything is working fine now. I'm in the scene, it works, it looks beautiful.